Vastu, and today this is the brand new world map. This is Asia. Here is the biggest continent in the world and the populous continent as well. See, it's the populous, but also the biggest. And we're gonna first start with the biggest country in the world. It's Russia. And its capital is Moscow. For such a big country, it's the biggest country in the world. It's also in Europe and Asia, right? Yeah. And this is Kazakhstan. It's also in Europe. Here. And it's smaller than Russia. Any country is smaller than Russia, even a continent, because it's way too big. This is now China. Here, its capital is Beijing. Right? And this is North Korea and South Korea here. This is Japan. Its capital is Tokyo. It is here. This is, guys, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Vietnam's capital is Hanoi, and Thailand's is Bangkok. This is Mongolia, is here. This is between country here. This is now Philippines. Its capital is Manila. And this is Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Yemen, and also Oman. Saudi Arabia's capital is Riyadh, and United Arab Emirates' capital is Abu Dhabi, and Qatar's capital is Doha. Kinda country. The capital. This is Iran, and its capital is Tehran. This is India. That's where I live, in Lucknow, Yeah, and its capital is New Delhi. And there's an island called Sri Lanka, and its capital is Colombo. Nepal's capital is also Kathmandu. And it has NP, the short name here. And Thailand has here. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, and BD is the sword. Cambodia is KH, and Sri Lanka is LK. And there's Bhutan. Its capital is Thimphu. I know all this piece of Asia, and this is Afghanistan and Pakistan. And Afghanistan's capital is Kabul, and Pakistan's is Islamabad. This is Turkey, Syria, and Iraq, Israel. And Iraq's capital is Baghdad. And Turkey is Europe and Asia. Its capital is also Ankara. This is Malaysia and Singapore. Singapore's capital is same as Singapore. Some small country and some medium country has the same, but with city. Yeah, like Luxembourg. Is Luxembourg city or Luxembourg same? It doesn't matter. This is Indonesia. Its capital is Jakarta. Oh, come on, Malaysia and Singapore. Oh, there. And there. This is our last piece. The last piece. This is Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. They go right here. This is Taiwan. Thank you for watching this.